What is this thing doing? Let me see. I hope it's still going. Yeah, it's going. Okay. Sometimes you get notifications and it kind of freaks me out. Only thing it has to do with is feeling the beat, feeling the energy in the realm that we're in. Has nothing to do with anything else. But like I said, if you feel uncomfortable seeing it, or if you feel uncomfortable when I do it, or when you feel uncomfortable when you do it, like this, it's because you're not in the right mindset, but you will get there, okay? It has to be done very easily. It has to be done with just like it's just like doing this, and doing this is the same thing, okay? But it's very important because you get to feel the beat, okay, and the energy, the beat, okay. So now we're going to talk about. I don't know. I'm just going to do this part of the when it starts with using energy. And I don't know if I should start. Yeah, I'm gonna start this now. So we went like this, and another thing too is everything. There's one in basic energy in a dance, okay? Because they usually have music, although we don't use music, it's dance without music. So that means you really have to stick to the beat, and you really have to show your energy, okay? So if I go like this, I'm gonna take the energy from the pressure. I hope you've seen all the other ones because the pressure, because I said that weight dissolves into pressure. So I'm taking this, and then you have a combination. So let me do it first, and then I'm going to show you about this energy. Okay. Or let me get it right in the center, because I got the other ones to do. Okay. Now, what I wanted to show you is that was on the beat, and it used energy. When I said one thing at a time, when I turned, I took the energy. Okay, I have to say hydrogen X. Okay, hydrogen X is what's making the beat, the movements. Okay, then you have a then you have a mixture of, because I told you that hydrogen X is a power, and weight is a power. When they come together, they collide. They make, it could be noise, it could be collision, or it could be very organized, and they can work together. So that's the point that we want to make, is that we want the hydrogen X, which is the movement. It makes the movement, okay? It agitates the weight, manipulate or agitates the weight, okay? And if you do it just right, it'll work together, organized. If you don't, you end up losing breath, and um, it won't look right, and you just feel very uncomfortable. But if you go along with the beat and you use the hydrogen X along with manipulating the weight and the pressure, then you'll see how beautiful it becomes. Also, the mixing hydrogen X and weight and pressure the wrong way causes, a lot of times it causes pain. Okay. Okay. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So I'm taking this, and now I'm going to walk through it. Okay. I have the hydrogen X. I'm going to move it up to here. Now I went up to here. That's one. Okay. And then I came back. Okay. And I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you see that the beat goes up here, that's a beat. That's important. This part right here is important, okay, because it's in so many things. Because you could do like this, or you could do like this, but it's all the same thing. It's the beat. I'm not saying this yet or this, but we do this. But in order to feel the beat, a very in order to feel the beat, this is a very good example of the beat. Okay, I feel the beat. What I'm saying, we have the pressure on here, okay? And I take the hydrogen X and I pump it up. And as soon as it gets there, the beat is over, okay? So it's just like that. It seems kind of simple, but people who don't know about the beat and don't feel that, it won't, it'll be something like that. I mean, they're going up here, it's, like that. You know what I mean? But they don't realize, and that's another thing that I'm going to mention, the different levels. I'm going to give names to them so to stop there. So I'm stopping here, and it's just a shake. It's just like when we go like this, only we're shaking with this part. Okay? And that's it. This is remained down here. We didn't get the names, but you'll get them later on. Down here is not really doing anything at all. We're not using the rooms too much. Remember, we did this sub coordinates. We're not using them at all. And the only thing we're doing is manipulating the weight